So I have a pro tip for you guys who want to make this look super professional. When these keyframes hit, they are already dissolving in. So that little pause and then it starts, I like to get rid of that by pushing these keyframes to the very edges. So the picture is in motion as it's fading in. And then it's moving the whole time even as it's fading out. That being stopped and then starting doesn't look quite as nice to me as if we just do this to them. Each picture, get the keyframes. Of course, you only want to do this once your keyframing is all good to go, because it's really hard to make changes and fix things when you can't see the pictures. So you'd have to pull them back out of there in order to make that work. Let me go ahead and zoom out, and you can see me just do the rest of these. So when you see my example, make note of the fact that they're in motion, they're moving the whole time, that you can see any part of it. Let's go back and watch one of these. Just a lot smoother overall. And so easy to do.